be a tornado emergency possible.
I don't know if it will be.
PDS.
Oh my god, here we go. PDS.
Yeah, I'm recording this.
Major Mike!
Emergency though.
Holy crap.
Turn it up! Turn it up! Turn it up!
I'm going to Twitter. Where is it?
Oh my god.
Turn it up already.
Oh my lord.
My god. Ah, dang it. It says radar indicated. Oh wait, that's 4 days ago.
I didn't say it.
Turn up the volume.
This is a particularly dangerous situation.
Mute your
now.
mics!
PDS tornado warning.
Tornado! Oh, Billy!
Basement now. If you're in that area, basement.
Turn up the volume, please. Like really?
Right there.
Oh my god.
My God.
Oh, that is not good.
Who's playing this? Turn up the volume. Golden, turn up the volume.
Holy crap. This is a PDS.
And that's why I said they might upgrade this watch to PDS. I knew it.
Jesus frick. I'm so glad I don't live in Tornado Alley. Yeah.
Big hook gecko.
Hey, mute your mic!
On the ground.
Can you guys hear me though?
Really dangerous tornado on the ground. Oh my goodness.
This is extremely bad.
This is my first PDS POR from Mount Holly.
I cannot believe that there's a
Ever.
PDS tornado warning right now.
Right for Billy too!
I'm near
Crap.
My dad is near Huntington County, and this is